Welcome back to another Rochielin video, guys. Today I'm in the supermarket doing a little bit of supermarket shopping, and we're gonna look at the prices of things in March 2025. I'm gonna be buying some of the things that I typically buy at the market, which is usually cheaper, but I did that shopping maybe a month and a half ago, and a lot of times I don't have the time to go to the market, so I go to the supermarket to get these things that people get at the market. So we're gonna see if the price is cheaper or more expensive and what the cost is, and so you guys get to know if it makes sense for shopping at the supermarket or the market. So let's look at some of these prices. I'm gonna get pumpkin.
Rochielin traveling the four corner. Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant your man banana. Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin. Let's take a quick pause. If your scalp is always dry and itchy, if your hair feels brittle and keeps breaking, or if your edges just won't grow back no matter what you try, I feel you. I've been there. From stress to tight style to harsh chemicals, I know it all adds up. Sometimes our hair just need a little reset, something natural and nourishing to bring it back to life. And that's where Jumblene's Jamaican black castor oil comes in. The oil is rich and full of nutrients to help promote hair growth, repair damage, and deeply moisturize the scalp. I use it to seal in moisture, to massage my scalp, and to protect my ends. Trust me, it's perfect if your hair is thinning, shedding, or just feeling neglected overall. The good thing is that it's not watered down, there are no additives, definitely no salt, just pure nourishment straight from nature. You can even use it on your skin to lock in the moisture. It's goodness in one bottle. You can get it from Jumblene on Jumblene's website, which is www.jumblene.com. Also, body butters will be launched on Jumblene's website pretty soon, so you need to head over to www.jumblene.com, add your email address so that you can be notified as soon as new products are launched. You guys are gonna love it. Alright, let's get back into the video. I'm gonna get pumpkin. So we're looking at pumpkin, and the prices for pumpkin vary. Let's take a look at this one, for example. It's for $428, and this is for 0.985 kilograms. This one is 0.65 kilogram, and this is for $284. This one is 0.870 kilogram, and this is for $378. I'm gonna go with this one for $306, and this is 0.705 kilograms. Now let's compare the price to pumpkin in the downtown Coronation market. I bought pumpkin for $200 per pound in the market, but here in the supermarket or the grocery store I'm paying $306.70, and they're charging $435 per kilogram. I know generally speaking pounds, so for me reading in kilograms is really confusing sometimes, and I always wonder like why supermarkets still list the price in kilograms. And then I remember that Jamaica, we use the metric system, and kilograms is a part of the metric system. I don't know why. I think the supermarkets could list their prices in pounds instead of kilograms, since that will make the consumers' lives a lot easier. But hey, maybe they don't want our lives to be easier. Anyways, let's convert, and I'm working in pounds. So the supermarket is charging $435 per kilogram, and 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds, which means that they're charging $435 for 2.2 pounds. So 1 pound will be $197.72, and compare that to the market where I bought pumpkin for $200 per pound. So to wrap it up, the downtown market is $200 per pound, and the supermarket here is $197.72 per pound. So it's about the same. So now I'm gonna look at pak choy, and these look so beautiful. So this bag of pak choy, which is 0.8 kilograms, is for $541, and this one at 0.75 kilograms is for $498. And I'm selecting this one at 0.6 kilograms for $396. So this works out to be $300 per pound in the supermarket or the grocery store. And at the market, the pak choy was $100 per bag. And to be honest, I don't know how much was in the bag because they didn't actually weigh, but looks cheaper to me than the supermarket. What do y'all think? Moving right along, I'm gonna get some shredded callaloo. The callaloo, they're all $300 for the bag, so I'm gonna be getting just any bag. Off the top of my head, I know that callaloo is cheaper in the market because we got a bag of callaloo for $200 in the market while we're getting it here for $300 in the grocery store. We're looking for scallion and thyme. And again, the prices vary. Granulin over here picking up something. So we have 3 kilograms for $247, 0.3 kilograms for $255. When I said that, I see that right beside it. Per bag. This one is for $174. And this have 0.060 kilograms. This one is for $197 for 0.68 kilograms. Yeah, I think this is the cheapest one at $156.80. So the scallion and thyme is sold separately in the grocery store, as you guys saw. And for scallion, it works out to be $375 per pound, and for the thyme is $1,320 per pound. Now in the market, it's not sold separately, or it can be, but we bought it together as a mixed bag, and mixed bag weighed 1 pound total with both of the things, and that was for 250 Jamaican dollars. Cabbage. They have like half of the cabbage and its weight. So like this is for 0.65 kilograms and it's for $582.70. This one is 0.59 kilograms and this is for $530. This one, that one I feel kind of heavy. And this one is 0.978 kilograms for $871. So yeah, the prices vary. And they also have the purple cabbage, $1,087. This purple cabbage. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a Napa cabbage. Looks different. Never seen a cabbage like this. You ever see a cabbage like this? It says this is cabbage, product of the USA. It's imported. It looks different from what we're used to. Yeah, they have the callaloo that's not cut up. But you see, make my life easier. So for double the price, because this is $162. Double the price, $300, you get it cut up. Me take the cut up one. And I'm have kale up top, $6.75 for that kale. The cabbage works out to be $405 per pound in a grocery store, while it is $300 per pound in the downtown market. Onions, no. They must say jumbo yellow onions. And this is onions per kilogram. Can probably take up 1 or 2 of these per kilogram. So them onions I feel soft though. Like them almost rotten. I'm not feel good. No, I too feel like my other one I feel. It's soft. You don't feel soft too? Feel it. And these are jumbo yellow onions. $2,175 for 4 pounds. We're definitely not getting those jumbo ones, but these small ones work out to be $356 per pound, which is far more than the $150 per pound that it is for in the market. Alright, time for green bananas now. These are JP green bananas grown in Jamaica, and this is for $429 per kilogram. Yo, you know the difference between the bananas in the States and the bananas in Jamaica is the bananas here are a lot tinier than the ones I'm used to when I'm in the States. Is this too much? So the green bananas in the grocery store works out to be $195 per pound, while the green bananas in the market is $150 per pound. So you can see that the market is a little bit cheaper. Time to get some sweet pepper. No, $366 for this 3. $330 for this 2, $316 for this 4. Wait a minute.
Check the ripe one. No, I don't check the ripe one.
Is it ripe or is it just a different color? I write them ripe and them yellow. So wait, so you want these instead of these?
It's up to you. Jumblene now try to get ripe and when green and it's a turn.
So you know have some of them that just always stay green. Guys, me and Granulin having a debate about sweet pepper, right?
Any pepper.
So my view is that they have some sweet pepper that some of them green, some yellow, some red, and that's just it. She's saying that it's the green one that turned to yellow and then turned to red. I thought that they just have some of them are green, even when them ripe, the skin of it is just green.
No,
Some of
no,
them is just yellow, and some of them is just red, and like a
no.
three different color
When they
variety.
are green, they are green. When them grow past green stage, them get ripe, and it's either red in color when it's ripe, or it's yellow in color when it's ripe. Just like the ordinary pepper.
We have some pepper with regular Scotchman, it will just stay green.
Are the kind all right yet?
No, man, no. You have some pepper where even when it ripe and
It's still
fit,
green?
it still have green skin.
No.
The skin does green.
No.
Cause that's the variety. No,
No.
wrong.
No. You have it all wrong.
She said I have it wrong, but comment below and tell me who wrong or who right. Cause I
Okay.
just feel like
Some of
like,
them ripe and stay green.
yeah,
But it's
that's
right.
like how you have orange. You have some orange, but the skin is green even when it ripe.
Mm.
Or some mango where the skin kind of greenish when it ripe.
Mm.
No,
Okay.
leave me alone.
That's good.
On the comment and tell me if I'm wrong.
Leo, you're
If I'm
laughing at
wrong, I'm
us?
wrong, you know, it's fine. But I wanted to
Eh,
tell me. Anyways, we are look
okay.
for sweet pepper. Look, they have reggae. Wait, we can get one of this. 3 pack, one green, one red, one yellow. No, I lie me I tell you, we can't get this. This is $1,890. No, make you put it down. Put it down, Rochelle. Put it down.
Yeah.
Me not gonna take up this, but $1,890. At first, you know, when I look on it, I think it's $189. But no. Reggae bell. It's alright, like you put it down.
Why they put it call it reggae now? They have the red, green, and gold.
Right.
See? Red, green, and gold.
Them two, yeah?
This in here?
Yeah, 316. Alright, so we can't looking so far. Alright, I think that's it for our market type stuff. Now we're moving on to regular supermarket stuff. Not much, but you know, we're gonna see what we get.
There is a life I lead in this city. Hurrying to cap
I don't know
my
why
teeth.
eggs are scarce here and also abroad, but anyway, see, it's so scarce that it says only 1 pack of egg per consumer.
The other piece of my heart moves slow. Somewhere in the greater
I want you guys to take a look at my cards and I want you to comment below and tell me how much you think all of this coming up to. Comment and tell me how much what you think is gonna be the grand total of this cart. In fact, I'm gonna cash them separately. I'm gonna have them cash the market stuff to get the price of the market vegetables and then cash the other stuff. And then we'll put them together and see what the total is. So let's head to the cash register. So all the market type, vegetable type stuff that I bought at the grocery store came to $2,724.17. Did you guys guess it correctly? Comment below. Alright, so leaving the supermarket and the market things came to $2,724, while the other supermarket stuff came to $6,781. Yeah, tell me how I did. How does it compare to the market video? Comment below and let me know. I honestly thought that the market stuff was gonna be a little bit more than it is. It's $2,700. I did think it was gonna be closer to the $5,000. So not do too bad. When we reach in, my show no what exactly we got for this $2,724. Alright? Alright, so here's what we got at the supermarket. well, the market type stuff. So just an idea of what the cost is. This is what we got. So as you know, we got this pumpkin for $306.07. We got this tomato for $76.70. We got this thyme for $156. We got the callaloo for $300. We got the pak choy for $3.96. Scallion for $2.55. The sweet pepper for $3.16. Cabbage for $5.07. The green bananas for $4.16. And this is everything. Take a look at it. Yep. And all of this came to $2,724.
Rochielin traveling the four corner. Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant your man banana. Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin.